Hello guys, today let me show you how to add clocks from multiple time zones in Windows 10, and this is a very easy guide. So let's watch this. Hey everyone, I'm back again with another amazing video. So if you don't want to miss any of our new videos, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click that bell icon for you to always be updated with my latest video tutorials. As of now, most of us are already using Windows 10, so if in any case you have to use a lot of clocks, so you might be asking right now, when will this be applicable? Well, if you live on the West Coast but do business on the East Coast, the mental math needed to keep everything on target is sometimes overwhelming. It's a 3-hour time difference, but a slight miscalculation could lead to some real problems. But you don't have to worry, because I'm here. I'm going to help you, and Windows 10 allows you to set up multiple clocks to display times around the world. So all you need to do is to access them. You'll need to access the settings of your computer. So right now I'm on Windows 10, and to access them you'll click the clock in the taskbar as you normally would. Instead of displaying the current time, it will now display the time zone. So here it's going to show up in here. So first step is we need to click this menu icon. So click this and click this settings. So by clicking the start menu and selecting it or typing it into Cortana, then you will be routed to this page, Windows settings. Next is click on this, click on time and language. From here you need to click the add clocks links, and it can be found on this side, add clocks for different time zones. So click that and you will see this popping up on your window. So on this little screen, on this little window, just click this, show this clock. This will show you the original clock, the one you have set to your current location. So in my case it's in here. It might be different on your end. So next is click the second one, show this clock option, and set this to the time zone of your choice, or by selecting it from the drop down menu. So click this first and the drop down menu will be available. So you can set the time zone of your choice by clicking this, and the drop down options will be available. So let's say the other one will be on the Eastern time, US, Canada. So just click that, and on the first clock you can rename this. So for the first clock, let's rename this to Los Angeles. And on the second clock, instead of the clock 2, this is the default name that was given by Windows, so we can change this to, let's say, New York. So make sure to click the apply button on the right portion, apply, and then hit OK. And now you will be able to see the time zone, Los Angeles. So currently in Los Angeles it's 11:13 p.m. and on New York it's already 2:13 a.m. So that's the difference. So you will be able to know the difference. So again, you can just hover your mouse and it will be available in here. So local time, that's your current location, the time on your current location, and on New York it's currently 2:14 a.m. right now. That's all for now. I hope that you have enjoyed watching and learned something in this video. If you have something to say about this video, please don't hesitate to leave some comments below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.